Hey guys, this is the Lazy Programmer, and I'm here to tell you about my course in Natural Language Processing in Python for Data Science. Natural Language Processing, or NLP, is the use of machine learning algorithms for problems that involve text. This is one of the most important problems of our day because a lot of the internet is made up of text. With NLP, we can analyze it, understand it, categorize it, and summarize it, and do it all automatically. Do you ever wonder why you get much less spam in your inbox these days compared to 10 years ago? What kinds of algorithms are people using to do spam detection? How can they take words in an email and know how to compute whether or not it's spam? In this course, you're going to build your very own spam detector. Did you know people have already used Twitter to determine the current sentiment about a particular company to decide whether or not they should buy or sell stocks? Having a machine that can decide how people feel about something is immensely useful and immediately applicable to revenue optimization. In this course, you're going to build your own sentiment analyzer. Are you an internet marketer, or are you interested in SEO? Have you ever wanted to know how you can automatically generate content? In this course, we're going to take a first crack at building your own article spinner. You'll learn to write programs that can take an article as input and spit out a similar article with different words as output. This can save you tons of time and thousands of dollars if you're paying someone to write content for you. Thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoy my class.